Hi, this is Easy Pro 3 channel. In today's video, I will show you how to join server on Roblox. Before we get started, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notifications to be updated about this channel. So let's go. A Roblox server is a virtual room or world where a game instance runs, managing all the important player actions, game logic, and world synchronization so that everyone sees the same experience. There are public server that anyone can join as well as private server, also known as VIP server, which are paid, persistent instances of a game place that the creator can invite specific people to. So in my previous video, I've shown you how to create server on Roblox, but if what if now you want to join a server? It's very simple. First of all, of course, you have to open our Roblox, of course. Now you can choose on the map that you want to join the server. This one, for example, you can just scroll down and you can find all the server in here. You can select on server. So here's if you want to create your own server, you can choose on create private server. But if you want to join, you can choose in here for the other server in here. If you want to load more, this. You can see there's so much server that you can join in this map. Or maybe you want to join your friend's server, you can ask the link for your friends to join their server. It's very simple. Here's all the server that you want to join. If you want to join, you can choose on the server that still have space like this 30 of 35 people max. There's still room for you, so you can join. Choose just one, can choose join. Now you have joined in this server. It's very simple, right? Now if you want to go out, if you want to leave the server, you can just choose on leave. It's very simple, right? So that is how to join server on Roblox. Don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. Thank you and see you.